Hello, today I'm going to show you one of my top 10 most common problems that come up with the oboe. So the symptoms usually that people will describe is that D flat or C sharp sometimes doesn't work, or sometimes low C doesn't work. And what is happening is when you push the low C and then you push the D flat, now release it and this guy stays up. So what we have is this is binding just a little bit. The reason that this happens usually is that actually the E flat gets pushed down, and you can see that on this oboe these two are at the same level, and yet our E flat here is a little droopy drawers. This usually happens either with the oboe resting on that E flat, or a lot of times I have a few of the keys taken off of this upper joint, but a lot of times it's when people are assembling the joints together and their palm presses on that E flat to get leverage to assemble the joints. So what you should do when you're assembling your oboe is take the oboe below this cluster of pinky keys and assemble it that way. To fix this, my first go-to is going to be just take this E flat key and push up on it. And now that actually did it. So now when I release the C sharp, it shuts. That is a quick oboe surgery that you can do at home, and how to avoid that in the future. So enjoy.